Hi and welcome to all my future kitchen queens. Welcome my ladies, welcome to a new video, and in this video we are meal prepping some kind of snacks for the whole week. Because my daughter loves ice cream, I always have some ice cream ready for her, and these banana strawberries with water are high recommended from her. But you don't have to make ice cream out of it, you also can drink it, and we do that all the time and it tastes pretty delicious. You have to put it in a freezer for at least 2 to 4 hours before they are ready. So the best thing, you put them in the freezer overnight and you can eat them the next day. You definitely can tell we have a toddler at home because these are so cute. But for older kids, they might be a little bit too small. My husband likes snacking between the dishes, so I always want to make sure he snacks on something that is healthy and helps him to get over his hunger. I was craving chocolate chip cookies this week, so I had to make myself one. And they turned out pretty good, so we all enjoyed eating them. So these flaxseed crackers, they're perfect when you watch a movie or you watch football and you have a little dip that you can dip them in, and we really enjoy them. So you definitely have to try them out. They're so easy to make, and it doesn't take long. Maybe you're wondering, why are carrots a snack? But we love snacking on these carrots, and they turn out so yummy always. So give it a try and see what you think. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and keep rocking your green life.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you need more vegan recipes, check out my other videos that I have in my channel. And I want to say I'm so happy for everyone joining this Rocker Green Life family. And if you want to be part of it and don't miss out on any future videos that I'm posting, if you want to support this channel, you're only one click away. So hit the subscribe button and join the family. So one important thing I asked you to do, so please, please, please let me know in the comments what future videos you would like to see. So I would say we see each other in my next video. So stay tuned and rock on your green life.